Let's see what Zeke can do. Wait, how many is that? Oh my God, Nate! Another jumbo. Wow, Nate.
Holy melon!
Nate is hardcore fisherman.
Nate, you're losing all the
Nate,
ice.
get him in there. Oh no, we're. Oh, you got pricked?
No, not really.
Careful. I think that bucket might be too small.
I think.